In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to blur part of a video in Clipchamp quickly and easily. Whether you're trying to hide sensitive information, blur out a face, cover a license plate, or just add a creative effect, Clipchamp makes it simple once you know where to find the right tools. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along, even if you're a complete beginner. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project from the home screen or open an existing one that already has your video uploaded. Once you're inside the editor, make sure your video is added to the timeline. If it's not there yet, simply drag and drop your video file from the media library down onto the timeline so you can start editing it. Now, on the timeline, click on the specific video clip or the exact part of the video that you want to blur. When you click on the clip, you'll see it become highlighted. This means it's selected and ready for editing. It's important to select the correct clip first because any effects you apply will only affect the selected video segment. If you only want to blur a certain section of your video instead of the entire clip, you can split the clip before applying the blur. To do this, move the playhead to where you want the blur to start, click the split button, then move the playhead to where you want it to end and split it again. Now you'll have a separate segment that you can blur independently without affecting the rest of the video. Once your desired clip or segment is selected, look over to the right-hand side panel and click on the Effects button. This will open up the Effects library, where you can apply different visual styles and adjustments to your video. Inside the Effects panel, scroll through the available options until you find the Blur effect. Click on Blur to apply it to your selected clip. As soon as you click it, you'll see the blur effect applied directly in the preview window. After applying the blur, you can adjust the intensity using the blur slider. Drag the slider left or right to increase or decrease the strength of the blur. This allows you to control how soft or strong the effect appears. If you only need a light blur, keep the slider lower. If you need to completely obscure something, increase the blur amount until the object is no longer recognizable. Take a moment to preview your video by pressing the play button in the preview window. Watch the blurred section carefully to make sure it looks the way you want. If it's too strong or too subtle, simply adjust the slider again until you're satisfied. If you need to blur multiple parts of your video, just repeat the same process. Split the clip where needed, select the segment, go to Effects, apply blur, and adjust the slider. You can do this as many times as necessary throughout your project. Once you're happy with the result, click the Export button in the top right corner of Clipchamp. Choose your preferred video resolution, such as 1080p for high quality, and let Clipchamp process your video. After exporting, your video will include the blur exactly as you set it. And that's it. That's how you blur part of a video in Clipchamp step by step. As you can see, it's a very straightforward process once you know where to click. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical Clipchamp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.